Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Firstly, plug in both devices and connect to Wi-Fi. On your Android, download Move to iOS from the Play Store. Turn on your iPhone and select Move Data from Android during setup. Now open Move to iOS on Android and accept the terms. On your iPhone, tap Continue and wait for a one-time code to appear. Enter the code on your Android and tap Connect to join the temporary Wi-Fi. Now, select the data you want to move, such as contacts, messages, WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, and files, or Gmail accounts. Tap Continue and wait for the transfer to finish. Once done, set up your iPhone and enjoy your new device. Just note that this only works during the initial iPhone setup. If you're already set up your iPhone, reset it or transfer data manually. Thank you for watching.